If me have him belly bottom, no don't test me and we talk things where we send him back a blood clot prison. Come out of the airport.
Thank you.
Okay. Go video your mama, monkey, and we bust the head with my phone. I wish. What you say? I wish. Sefe.
No, don't go like this. No. Sir. Please.
Yeah, man, if your husband come with
Remember everything you say?
Gaza can go suck them mother. You know what nights and days when the boss beat me through me and go suck that up.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. As you can see in the title, Lisa Hype got arrested in the airport. At first she did say she have go away. She have some contract lipstick deal figure sign America, and she asked her friend them to buy a ticket fare. But while she done this, she get into a verbal altercation with one female worker at the airport. Then the police them come and tell her, say, listen, you can't behave so in the airport. If you don't have a ticket, you have to go outside. She and the police them catch up, and argument fight broke out and they arrest her. So we have a lot to get into. We also have vybz Kartel performing live at the Mobile Awards along with Spice bringing them up on stage as a surprise. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Check this out.
My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't.
So that was vybz Kartel's live performance at the Mobile Awards. After Lisa Hype said that she went back live again for the 11th time, and this time she released something. She said she have vybz Kartel ticket. He have some things when go talk, we can send him back to prison, and this no look good. Check this out.
No matter what you do, you can't stop me from left Jamaica. No matter what you do, no matter who you send come at airport, no matter how much flying monkey you send come at airport for watch me and try me pit me in my belly, you can't get me back. It's a tape Gaza, but Gaza him belly bottom. No don't test me and we talk things where we send him back a blood clot prison. Don't test me. You hear me? I want to know. Alright.
Madam.
Good night, sir.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
Norman, the police station. Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation act, it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What you say your name again? What you say your name again?
I would have already informed you, madam.
I want to hear back your name. What you say? I not come out till you give me your name.
And if I see this on any social media platform,
shut up your mouth. You can't
I'll definitely be pressing charge.
Press charge and me a press back charge by own. Make me see it good. I better you lock me up here. Oh. It done the life already. You done the on social media. You can't check me. One way you go. A superintendent live right across from me. Oh.
May I see your passport, please?
See who for passport. I'm a this year, man.
Ma'am, may I see your passport?
See who for passport. I'm a this year. Oh. Who for passport you want to see? You don't know who me is already. Big idiot police boy. You don't know who me is already. Fucking ugly like. But you want to see passport. My head gone for real. I the baddest life. I don't want nobody ramp with me right now. But my head gone for real. So I know so not done, you know. You want to carry my shoes then? You want to carry my shoes? Or you want passport? That lock me up. Go video no mama. Go video no so cocky mama.
Alright, miss.
Miss what? Go video no so cocky mama. Monkey. 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 Go video your mama. Monkey. I will bust the head with my phone. I wish. What you say? I wish. Sefe. I don't want to let that far in here. Big idiot. Fuck out your mother.
Miss, we're gonna charge, right?
Charge me.
Alright. Can you take a suitcase, please?
Who you gonna mash up, miss? Who you going to mash up?
We're not talking to you.
Who you gonna mash up? That me I ask you. Who you gonna mash up?
Come.
Who you gonna mash up?
Miss, you can take a suitcase.
Who you gonna mash up?
Can you take a biscuit, a suitcase?
I want to know. Boy, think me like you know. Una corruption. Fucking demon, you know.
Hello, miss. Hello, miss.
Me know my rights, you know. Queens High School me used to go, yeah? Queens High School me used to go. Don't talk to me. What do you want to follow back? Oh, what do you want to follow back at me for?
Leave the airport or come with the police.
I know that you should have put your hand for me get for buck you.
I'm not going to find it. There are other things to go and do.
And there's other things, so me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Me have the power there too.
Stop them, miss.
Don't talk to me. Miss, go on from beside me, no man. Go on, no man. Give me some space, man. I'm going to tell you this, charge or not. You see whosoever send you no? You see whosoever send you no? Nah, get back my pussy. Chase from Stony Hill, where PNP, nah, get back my pussy. Kartel, nah, get back my pussy. And that's what I want to go ride off.
Everything you say will be taken down in writing and used against you.
Use against me in court. Use against me in court. Oh, I'm to that big idiot police boy.
Thank you.
I want to that big idiot. So where you walk? Go on now where you walk beside me for.
I'm gonna charge you.
Put the handcuff on me then now.
No, you can't charge her. No.
Put the handcuff on me then.
No, at least this. No.
Hold them here for me.
God, what you say?
Wait for Andy.
Hold them here for me.
God, what you say? No, don't go like this. No. Sir. Please.
Her husband. Yeah, man, if your husband come with us.
Gaza can go suck them mother.
Remember everything you say?
Gaza can go suck them mother. You know what nights and days to the boss beat me through me and go fuck that hey, you think I'm afraid to talk the things them? From that I put out me and fuck by the ex-girl there, I beer lick me get. Hey, hey boy, take up my clothes you know. I'm gonna mash up my things them. Don't touch my head, body boy, don't touch my head. You know have my hand, you know hold my hand already. You spit on your ear, dirty police boy. So them have me a car, they don't care me go lock me up. Blow my phone, you buy my phone?
Give me the phone.
You buy my phone?
Give me the phone.
You buy my phone? You buy my phone? You buy my phone? You buy my phone?
Look,
You buy my phone?
give me the phone.
Me I ask you if you buy my phone.
Put the phone in the bag.
Won't not carry me go?
Oh, that's a run. That's a run.
Won't not carry me go? I'm going to tell you this, if you put your hand on me, spit in your face.
Shut up, your mother.
Are you for shut up? 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 afraid of Bellevue. One thing me know say tell Chase say me done with him. Tell Blood Clot Cartel say me done with him to know what them do tonight. Nah make me there back with none of them. Oh. See the bag them there, so I'm come out with the bag them in my lap.
So yeah guys, that's how it all unfolded. A lot more things was spoken, you know, in our earlier life, but hey, me can't keep up with Lisa. I swear to God, me can't keep up with Lisa. Speaking of jail time though, Jamal was arrested the other day. They said he wasn't a suspect, but he was held for questioning and he is now released. Check this out.
To the wall of me dog them with the
fresh from prison. A brand new kid has risen. 3, 9. That's
If you reached this far in the video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. That's it for now guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.